What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to show you still the easiest setup that you can use where you can take maybe one or even two trades trading the Nasdaq 100 and make a full-time living if you're smart, utilizing prop firms for leverage. Now, with this being said, we're looking at a 5-minute time frame. The white line that you see on the screen here is the 20 SMA. We don't need to be looking at these lines here. We could just hide that. What we are focusing on here is staying with the short-term trend. We're looking to snipe these entries, get in with position sizing that we're comfortable with, where if we do win a trade, it might be the only trade we need to take on the day. And if we lose a trade, we could just come back tomorrow and protect ourselves. Now you can see here off the open, we had a little bit of a head fake where market kind of pushes higher over pre-market highs, kind of comes back down, settles here over the 20 SMA. However, the following candle, which is this red candle, never takes out the high. So there's no long position. Now you get this big, extravagant, engulfing red candle here that kind of takes out pre-market, the prior pre-market swing high, low. And we get a nice close down here. Now, some people look at this candle and they say, well, it's kind of hard to trust going short on a candle that just dropped 133 points. Let me, shine some light. The market does not care what you think. The market does not care about your opinion in thinking that it can't go any lower. It has to, I can't trust this. The market is not sitting there thinking to itself, oh, well, they're not going to trust me on this candle if I go down too much. Market doesn't give a shit. So what we're looking at here is how can we control risk? We can do it, one, by position sizing, number of contracts that we trade. You can trade micros. You can also do a mechanical stop loss where you risk 15, 20, 25 points, 10 points, whatever you want to risk. For me personally, this early in the morning, I'd be risking somewhere upwards of 15 to 20 points on the Nasdaq 100, or I would just be trading micros so I can risk, around the same or a little bit more points to potentially, stay in the move a little bit longer. But realistically, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for very quick moves. I'm looking for 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 points. Sometimes I'll even scalp 5, but I need a little bit more contracts under my belt if I'm going to scalp 5. So if we look at this setup, the low price is 20,967.5. Okay. All I'm looking for is a following candle to confirm the low. So if this next candle starts breaking that previous candle that closed below the 20 SMA, I'm in. This candle goes all the way down to 20,942 from a price of 20,967. Guys, this is over a 20-point move. Even if you're looking for 10 points, you're trading one mini contract, that's a $200 winner. You got 2 mini contracts on the board. It's a $400 winner, $600 winner, $800 winner. Depends on how many contracts you want to trade. Here's my advice. If you're going to trade this way and you're going to take this very quick scalp, look at what it does if you continue to hold. It does pull back and it puts you in significant drawdown, about 40 points worth of drawdown. So if you don't have a stop that's 40 points, you have to start thinking to yourself, well, I need to scalp fast, get in, get 10 points, get 12 points, get 15 points, and get the hell out. Because if it doesn't and it pulls back on me, it's going to pull back 30. It's going to pull back 40 points, and I don't have the room to sit there and let it wiggle. So in this particular case, what we are doing is we are sniping this candle short at 6:40 in the morning. As soon as we start to break the reason why candle's low, we're looking for 10 points, 12 points. We're getting in, we're getting filled, we're getting out, and we're washing our hands. We're not even looking at the rest of this price action. Why are we not looking at the rest of this price action? Because we've already made our money. We've made our money times 10 accounts. We've made our money times 5 accounts, and we don't need to trade anymore. The best advice I've ever gotten in my 13 years of trading, you don't need to trade. The market doesn't need you. So why are you acting like you need the market? I only need the market to identify 1-2 setups a day. And if they work, fantastic. If they don't, I'm going to give it my best shot tomorrow. Here's another opportunity. Again, we want to stay away from the longs at this point in time because we can see the pressure's down. Look at this particular setup here, 7:45 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. Look at what happens once we confirm the low. Breakdown, easy trade. Ignore the longs. Stay with the shorts because the momentum is to the short side. Look at what happens when we confirm the low. Easy short, another winner. 200, 400, $600 winner if you took 3 trades. All staying short. You want to make sure you stay with the market. How do you know where the market is going? It's honestly very self-explanatory. Look at the chart. What has the chart been doing over the past week? What has the chart been doing over the past 2 weeks? The market's moving lower. What did we do off the open? Market sold off. Stay with the damn shorts. I'll see all of you guys on the next video. With that being said, if you want to join my Discord, you want to get access to my courses and one-on-one mentorship, that link is down in the description box below. If you guys need Apex evaluations, 80% off, use code DAnthony. Hit the thumbs up on the way out. I'll see all of you guys on the next one.